1. The subconscious mind is powerful and influences thoughts, feelings, and behaviors without conscious awareness. 2. Positive affirmations can reprogram the subconscious by replacing negative beliefs with constructive ones. 3. Visualization techniques help harness the subconscious mind's ability to create mental images that influence reality. 4. Repetition is key. Consistent positive input helps shape the subconscious mind over time. 5. Meditation and mindfulness practices enable better understanding and control of subconscious thoughts. 6. The subconscious mind is highly suggestible, making it important to be mindful of external influences. 7. Emotions play a significant role. Cultivating positive emotions can positively impact the subconscious. 8. Hypnosis is a tool that can access the subconscious mind to address deep-seated issues. 9. Avoiding self-sabotaging language and thoughts can prevent negative programming of the subconscious. 10. Understanding the power of habits helps in consciously creating positive routines that influence the subconscious mind.